Hey, do you realize you work for living and not live for working? And it's really difficult for most people to understand until they retire. Now, the reality of corporate life, till the time you are in a job, you look for weekends to make you happy. And after you retire at 60, you realize that you are still chasing the same happiness because every day would be weekend now. Think about it. You slog at a job that drains the energy out of you, that doesn't make you feel happy. And all your hard earned money, it all went into weekend gateways trying to get you after a tough week. But here's the thing, what if you can make every day feel exciting and fulfilling? Imagine working at a job that makes you actually happy, you feel good about it, and that uses your skills. That is the recipe for happiness. But hey, I'm not saying just go ahead and resign from the job. That's insane without a proper backup. But what if we could work together to rediscover your passion hidden deep inside you, your strength, your values, your interests that truly ignites your spark? And we will work step on step to understand the thing, and we will ensure that you have a solid backup before taking any bold move. So it's time to stop living for weekend and start living every day. This is Jyoti Pandey, your go to life coach.